back with another quick tutorial. So today I thought I'd share with you 3 top accessories that I keep seeing online that I just needed to purchase and see what the hype is about. So if you want to know how I've achieved this look, which I've currently got 2 of them in my hair, then just keep watching. Okay, so first of all 3 of these actually came in like non-schmancy fancy envelopes, so I've just pre-unpacked them for us to make things quicker. So the pony-o came with a little pouch, I'm guessing to put your little pony-o hair ties in, and a little instruction manual, which I thought was pretty cute. The Glam Touche just came in like this plastic wrapping, I guess. Which we'll unwrap now. Oh my god! Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god. Donald Trump, is that you, girl? Oh! Okay, that's a bit creepy. It's a bit creepy, but yeah, it's fluffed out pretty nicely, and it kind of looks like it's gonna match my hair color. So keen to see if it does or not. The Madison Braids came in a little cute white box. Ta-da. Oh, that's kind of nice. It's a little bit darker than I thought it would be. I think I got the ash brown, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, that looks really cute as well. Keen to try it on. So yeah, let's see if these actually work. Okay, so I've already pre-curled my hair because I think these types of hair accessories are probably better with a bit of movement in your hair. And to be honest, I personally wouldn't go for these hair accessories when I've got clean hair anyway. They're more for days where my hair's on the verge of like it needs to be washed, or like dirty hair days. So with that in mind, we are going to start talking about the pony-o hair ties. So basically you're meant to put your hair through there, secure it down, and that's meant to give you a really high, secure, but comfortable, you know, like band, like ponytail, like that real Ariana Grande look, without damaging your hair, because, you know, obviously some hair ties can be a little bit too tight, and when you pull them out it can cause a bit of damage, like ripping, etc. on your hair. So this is meant to do the opposite as well. And also, you know, when you do like have your hair straightened, for example, not like this, and then you've put your hair up in a ponytail, you know, because you need to go clean the car, I don't know, something, and then you take your ponytail out and then there's a freaking dent. Yeah, these apparently are meant to prevent that dent. So with that in mind, let's see if this actually works. I'm kind of nervous, I don't know why. The nerves, you guys. Maybe it's the heat, I don't know. So I'm just gonna leave some bits out, like so. But you can put yours up, whatever feels comfortable for you. And it just feels weird because it's just like a giant rubber piece, and I'm not used to it not like stretching. Okay, so I've got everything up, and I'm just going to push my hair through now. Oh my god, that feels so weird, you guys. That silicone around my fingers like that. Like that does not feel right, you guys. Okay, through, yay. And now I'm gonna nose it and wrap it around. And oh yeah. Oh, I should do it. Whoopsie. Look, I don't. Okay, so basically we're not really meant to treat it like a hair tie, but I don't know. This is like one of those moments where you're like, what my hair should look like and what my hair actually looks like. Look, maybe if I had longer hair, maybe a bit better. I just personally like I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know if you guys can see, I like my ponytails a little bit like more tight up here and big and thin like up there, and I just feel like maybe it's a habit that I keep wanting to do this, but then when I do stretch it out to get it a bit more tighter, it kind of loosens up the hair tie. That kind of defeats the purpose. Oh, no, it's just like flop. Oh, you guys, sadness. I was so excited about this one. Okay, that's cool. Right, so that's with that. Okay. We shall try the Glam Touche. Oh my god, it's like so shiny against my hair. I mean, the colour match isn't too bad, except for the fact that my hair is matte as, and this is like super shiny. Anyway, way to go for reminding me about how damaged my hair is. Okay, so actually this did come with a hair tie. So I'm guessing you're meant to tie your hair up first and then put this over your bun. So let's be doing that. Okay. So the same, just gonna like pull this into like a high bun sort of thing. Probably should have lowered this down a little bit so you guys can see. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I've got my own little bun happening, and we're just gonna pop this. I feel like I'm holding Donald Trump's hair. Oh my god! Back in the day where like butterfly clips and stuff were in, and you like clip them into your hair like so. I mean, that would be kind of cute. Like, I feel like I'm ready for like prom night or something. Let's do like my tiara, my sachet. Yeah, it's cute, it's workable. The colour match is good, apart from the fact that it's super shinier than my hair, but anyway. Okay, so we're gonna try the fishtail Madison Braids hair headband thingy. So, okay, alright. I'm so nervous. Oh my god, cute, but we're not gonna wear it like that. Oh my god, whose head is that big, you guys? I mean, luckily these are adjustable, just like a bra strap, so that's kind of cute. So let's just adjust that smaller, because my head ain't that big, girl. I mean, I don't know whose it is. Anyway, let's do that again. Okay, so by far, this is probably my favourite out of my 3 purchases. It's like super shiny, but at least, I don't know, it's wearable. Oh my god, I feel so pretty. Okay, and yeah, so obviously you can wear it down like so, or you can kind of pop this up into like a little up style, I guess. And I love that you can't like see it, like it's really seamless. So it literally looks like you've just braided your hair and then did an up style. So let's just do a quick one anyway. So get your hair tie and tie it up into a low pony. Oh, one memento, I left my bobby pins on the bench. 1 second. Okay. Look, I don't know what this looks like, but I'm going to quickly kind of show you guys what I've just done. And I'm hoping and praying to God that it actually looks decent, so I can't see what I'm doing. Cute, you guys. I actually don't mind this one at all. Like, look, it is a little bit more shinier than my hair, but it is cute and it blends with my color, sort of. And why don't we just be a bit extra and then pop this guy? Oh my god. Alright, so that was that, and yeah, look, I don't know if I was using this right, so if anyone has any other tips and tricks, I know they did give me an instructions panel, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe for thick Asian hair it's a no-no, maybe for like finer, like Caucasian hair or something. And this, I just have to be like, girl, I don't know, that is so dated. Yes, why would you even put that on there? And you can totally see it. No, girl, no, don't do that, no. This Glam Touche, yeah, look, it's not bad. It's something I probably would buy for my mum or my grandma, my aunt or something, because I would totally be into that. Someone that has really fine hair, that really wants like a cute, messy fun, totally go for it. And this Madison Braids fishtail headband thing, yes, I do rate that as well, because yeah, it's really cute and quite affordable as well. And they both like did take about, I don't know, I think they all took about 3 weeks to come, but yeah, I totally rate. So yes, thank you so much for tuning in to this unboxing / review, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe and share, and also follow me on my Instagram platforms. I'll put all the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Bye.